Hey guys, this is Chris from Brauns Motorsports. In this video, we're going to be doing an overview of Winfield carburetors. Ed Winfield designed his first carburetor in the 20s. It was an M and N series carburetor. They were barrel valves. You can see it working and functioning here. It had severe airflow restrictions and it had limited tuning capabilities. In the 30s, he came up with the S and SR series carburetors. They were a significant improvement over the previous models. They had a butterfly valve and they had more precise tuning. They were offered in various sizes for street, performance, and racing applications. These were the dominant racing carburetors of the 30s, the 40s, and into the early 50s. They could be found at all forms of racing, from Grand Prix, Indy, road racing, and land speed record attempts. These were the Holly racing carburetors of the day. What makes them unique is their ability to be tuned with 3 different screws: idle, intermediate, and high speed. And their distinctive color was from copper plating. Now some might think that they were never really copper plated, but they were. Here is an original one that has never been restored. You can see the copper plating and the patina. This one hasn't been media blasted, and you can see the copper coming through, so I'm holding on to this one to show people. When we restore them, we give you many options. You can have a fresh copper plating on it, which you can see on this one has a bright copper look to it. This one here was done 6 months prior. It's patinaed down to a dull copper. That's what will happen with all the copper. We can also do a bronze overlay. Here's a bronze overlay over copper. This patina does not change. It stays the same. We get a lot of requests for this. We can also restore them and bead blast them and not give it any plating. And they typically will give you this gray unrestored look to it. I think Winfields are very special and they have a lot of neat applications. You might not want to put a Winfield carburetor on your 350 Chevy, but a perfect application would be this 31 Ford 5-window coupe behind me. It has a flathead 4-cylinder in it. It has a Krager overhead valve conversion. Krager offered a downdraft intake manifold for this for 2 carburetors. The carburetors are on this are 2 SCD downdraft Winfields. It has a touring camshaft and a performance exhaust on it. Perfect application for Winfields. Here at Brauns Motorsports, we have a lot of experience building S and SR carburetors. The restoration process requires a lot of familiarity with the carburetors and special tooling. We also manufacture a limited number of parts for certain sizes. Here at Brauns, we offer restored Winfields ready to go, and we can restore your damaged and worn Winfield so that it looks good and works for years to come.